and did a little hunting, and I got this guy right here. Yeah. What do you want me to do with him?
Throw it out.
Throw it out? Why? Me and him are friends now.
No, that's disgusting shark puppet. Throw it out.
Bill! Hi, Bill!
I'm having flashbacks! Stop!
Bill!
Stop!
I died for your sins, Bill!
Stop!
He's fucking dead. He's dead.
Throw it out. Burn it. Burn it.
Happy?
Burn it.
Okay, alright.
Good job.
Fuck, shit, ass, cunt, pussy. Motherfucker, I love the pussy. I love the pussy. 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 Pussy.
If you would like to be converted, make sure y'all follow and comment saying guess with Bill. That's disgusting!